Welcome to our beloved university, pamantasan ng lungsod ng Maynila, here in Intramuros, Manila, Philippines. And I am Px, and I will be giving you heads up about what's happening on our proposed project. Our proposed project granted to us by ASHRAE under ASHRAE Undergraduate Equipment Grant is entitled Refrigeration, Air-Conditioning, and Ice Plant System under one condensing unit as a demonstrator for engineering students. Basically, it is a hybrid equipment wherein placed on the wheeled platform is a laboratory demonstrator and simulator for three HVAC and R systems, mainly refrigeration, air conditioning, and ice plant system, connected in an actual equipment layout from a single condenser case with fan and compressor. Each system is designed to run one at a time for maximum efficiency.
We have set three main objectives for this project. One, to construct an equipment that demonstrates the three basic HVAC and R systems, mainly refrigeration, air conditioning, and ice plant system that are combined in one equipment setting and is relatively low cost compared to other demonstrators that are made separately. The second one is to familiarize on the actual appearances of each system components, its respective functions, and its relevance on the overall equipment setting. So the last one is to enhance the understanding on the different processes involved, wherein each system must perform according to their functions.
We are a team of 6 mechanical engineering students, and we have divided the completion of the project into 6 divisions. The first division is the project design and overall conceptualization, wherein the team members are finalizing the overall project design, both the equipment and the piping layout, from the minor details up to the major details. The second division is the procurement of materials and equipment, wherein the team members are laying out all the costs of the different components to buy with the best quality and right price. The third division is the building and testing. This is the main part or the biggest part of the projected timeline of the completion of the project, wherein all the paper plans are now converted to actual works or the actual building of the laboratory equipment itself. The last three divisions of the project completion are documentation, the auditing part, and the last one is the formal presentation, wherein we will be presenting this equipment to the College of Engineering and Technology of Pamantasan ng lungsod ng Maynila. Our project will run up to the 28th of January 2019, and we will be submitting the final report by February 28, 2019. The reason why we submitted this proposal is because we were not blessed with so much equipment that can be used or are related to the HVAC/R industry. So we already grabbed the opportunity when we knew about this program of ASHRAE.